is Tuesday, it's a new week, and we're starting off the vlog with some press-on nails. Guys, I have the most brittle nails ever. They kind of chip into layers, and they're also really brittle. I've never been the type to get my nails done or anything, so I decided to buy these press-on nails from Static Nails because I heard that you can use them up to like a week or even more. Last vlog I showed you guys that I got these. I didn't record me putting them on because it was super late. It was like 10 p.m. or something, and the lighting in my house really sucks at night. But next time I apply these, I will show you guys. I just kind of wanted to get this on because I wanted to shoot some content, and these look so nice. I'll give you guys a little preview. As you see, some of them are already bent. I got that one. This one bent a little bit. It's not like it looks super crooked, but I did bend them by mistake, and they're not the thickest either. For the application process, as you can see, some of them have more of a matte look in certain areas because I would get glue on them by mistake. You're supposed to press down for 30 seconds, but in that process, some of the glue transfers to your finger from like the sides of your nail, and then when you go and press on the next nail, you have a little bit of glue and it gets stuck to the top. But it's not that big of a deal. I have it on 3 or 4 nails. Like if this really bothered me, I would have taken them off, but overall this is better than my nails ever look. So we're keeping them on. In front of me, I have 2 packages. One of them I ordered. The other one, I'm not too sure about. So I'm gonna show you the one that I ordered first. So I got 2 from Alt Fragrances. This one is supposed to be a dupe for Santal 33 from the Labo, and then this one is the one that's supposed to be a dupe for... I'll leave these linked down below. In the website, you can actually see that they actually wrote dupe for or inspired by this fragrance. So I'm gonna smell it. I usually don't go for these types of scents, which is why I wanted the dupe, just to see if I would like it. These were both $40 each. They had a coupon code for Valentine's Day, so I got 20% off, and I'm gonna smell. I'm gonna start with Santal 33, and we all know how expensive Le Labo is. See, this is why I got it, because I don't think this is my kind of scent. It's definitely very woodsy. Leather, shall I say. I can't imagine myself wearing this during the day. So, this is the other one. This one smells good. I really like this one. Next package is from Nail Addict. They sent over this mini UV LED lamp and some polishes that they let me pick out. Aside from the colors I picked out, they sent over the top and the base coat, which are always necessary, and I like getting the ones that go with the brand because they're formulated to work together. And then especially for gel, because I only have ones for like regular nail polish, I decided to be a little fun. I got this green because green is my favorite color. This is a beautiful lilac color, pastel, and then of course you can't go wrong with a nice brownie nude like my nails. So I'm so excited to try these out. Outfit of the day, turtleneck from Uniqlo. Honestly, Uniqlo hit me up. Bottoms, I have these pants. They're kind of like really baggy but not that stretchy, and I got these from Korea 4 years ago. Oh my god, it's been such a long time since I went, but I went and I think I got it just like in the Subway shops, and I still have it and it's still going strong, and it was like 10 bucks. I don't know if I showed you guys, but the other day I had the long nails, and these are still the same ones, but I actually cut them because when I applied these on Sunday, I did not think about having to do facials on Wednesday. So I cut them, and now honestly I love the shape way better. they're easier to just have on because I can use my computer, I can type normally, I can do a facial. I just love it. The other ones were so constricting, I could not do anything. So I definitely love this shape. It was really easy. I just had like the really small nail clippers and I cut the top and then I just filed it a little bit, not even that much. So definitely, if you have these and you find them a little bit too long, just know that you can cut. All right, I'm gonna go to, sorry, I'm like so distracted looking at cars passing by, but I'm gonna go to Target, drive up, like always. If I'm not going to Target drive up during a vlog, am I even vlogging? So I'm gonna go there. I only ordered 2 oat milks, the barista edition, which was recommended to me. And I'm gonna make my matcha today. I've had it for like almost a week and I haven't been able to make it because the oat milk has always been sold out. So like last night I saw they had it in stock and I ordered 2. So I'm excited for that. Also, I'm wearing this hat that Raw Sugar sent me. It's super cute. It's not sunny, but it's still light outside. Plus I'm wearing my sunscreen, reapply before leaving. I'm doing a much better job this year to reapply my sunscreen, which is so important. And yeah, my hair is already a little bit oily. I think it's time to wash it, but I'm not gonna wash it yet because this weekend's Valentine's Day weekend. So I'm just gonna spray it with dry shampoo more and more. My mom is in the living room talking on the phone, so I'm just gonna show you the matcha, the products, and the milk. So I got 2 of the Oatleys. I didn't know that this was this expensive. Like I thought it would be like, this was $4.49. I thought it would be for like a gallon, but it's just for a quart. So this is the one I got. I got 2, the barista type. And then this is the matcha that I ordered. Rain of Matcha, if you guys are not following her on Instagram, what are you doing? She recommended this one. And I literally DM'd her and she recommended it to me. So can't get better than one-on-one recommendations. And I'm really excited because this one is huge. It's 150 milligrams. So yeah, this is my full matcha kit. Oatly, you got the matcha, and we have the whole kit to make it. So I'm gonna go make it right now, record it, and see how it goes. Right, of course just cleaning, but I'm kind of in a rush. I'm gonna start the vlog now. I'm in a fancy top, but I have literally no pants on because I'm trying on clothes for tonight. I'm going with my boyfriend to have dinner for Valentine's Day. Today is Saturday, so we're gonna celebrate tonight because like nothing's open on Sundays. So I'm just trying on a shirt. My mom actually bought this one and I might wear it today. It looks kind of cute. And some black pants and booties. Keep it simple. But yeah, this morning I had 2 clients and right before that I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to make the album. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is my suitcase. I made an album. This is like year 5, so I have year 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. We've been together for 5 years, so I just got some pictures from each year and put them together. So yeah, I am gonna keep like adding pictures and keeping like tangible memories, so in the future we can look back at it. And I decided it was a cute idea, so I got this from Amazon and I got the pictures printed from Walgreens. I haven't opened this yet. I want him to open it first, but this is like those Terragun thingies and he loves working out, and I thought that this would be cute and useful for him. We love useful gifts here. Oh my god, I completely forgot to tell you guys, I also just finished laundry and I waxed myself. I waxed my legs, my armpits, and my bikini and more. But yeah, It's always so interesting trying to wax yourself down there. Definitely recommend you go into someone else. Okay, let's ignore all of the back. I have to fold my laundry still. So I think this is gonna be the outfit for today. I'm gonna wear this. We got it from Bloomingdale's. I'll check the brand though and I see if I can find it online. But it's really cute. I'm usually not like a puffer sleeve person, but because it's like long, I like it. Alright, I wear these shoes for literally everything. They're my only like solid, like regular looking booties, and I kind of don't like how it looks like continuation of my leather pants, but I literally have nothing else. So I kind of wish these were pointier and then it'll look more like appropriate with this outfit, but I have nothing else, so we're just gonna do this today. Alright, so I gotta make house shirt all comfortable. I'm gonna do my makeup with just some products that I always use. I'm probably gonna time lapse you guys while doing makeup.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too soon. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you complain about the waves. Guess it's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star.
Alright, and just like that, my makeup is done. I'm gonna just dry shampoo my hair. I don't have time to curl it or anything. It's gonna stay down. Yeah, so this is a little close-up with better lighting of how my makeup is looking. I would use like lip liner, but again, it's gonna come off, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But I really like this. It kind of looks like spring makeup in my opinion, and I love it. It's really soft, and it goes with my outfit. To be honest, any makeup will go with my outfit because it's all black. But yeah, let me go and do my hair because I literally gotta go in like 10 minutes.
I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling in your